The pool is definitely an added experience, and in the summertime it becomes a primary experience. I'm Scott Mitchell. This is our family ranch here in Wimberley, Texas. It's 225 acres. We're standing in front of a new addition that we wanted to put in for our guests. No matter what you think you have for amenities, people love swimming pools.
Yeah, we're so excited. I mean, we've been thinking about getting a pool for a long time, just trying to beat these Texas summers. I can't wait to jump in myself. And we just really wanted to make it a good experience for our guests, and I think they're going to be really pleased.
We are in the final stages of this pool build. We have about 15 yards of concrete that went into this deck, and then we're going to put the texture and the spray deck or cool deck on it to give it a nice seal and a nice look to it.
Well, I think Fiberlux gave us a really good value and superior expertise. In a way, I could take a break from my typical responsibilities and just let someone else do it. And they did a great job.
Get the best fiberglass pools Texas has to offer, only at Fiberlux.